CB, what up, yo? Um,
Yeah.
well, cooking's gonna love this. It was negative 33 degrees Fahrenheit today,
Whoa. He
but it
said
warmed,
negative.
but it warmed up to negative 23.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
I was walking around everywhere going, I see balls, I see balls.
You ain't lying. Hell no.
Every
No,
time it
no,
gets
no.
every time it gets cold like that, all I can think about is you wearing them furry underwear and shit,
You okay?
keeping the balls warm.
Whoa. Damn. I got them hot balls now. Hot Cheeto balls.
Hey, I haven't been active, man. I've just been busy as a motherfucker, man. So I didn't want you to think that, I'm not,
Oh, hell no, man. You already know we
dude,
family, man. Everybody got to do what they got to do. Shit, I'm going to be still here. Bars.
it's been fucking crazy. So
I
I had
understand it. Shit.
I
Yeah,
had
yeah.
that one video I put out took off. I think it got up to that short. It was like just under 200,000 views.
Whoa.
But then it just flatlined. That was it.
That's
Then it just, but that was pretty fun while it lasted.
what?
No, not quite, CB. At the sunset today at I think 3:15 in the afternoon, the sunset, and then it rose at about almost 11 o'clock in the morning. So
Whoa.
yeah, we're about at our December 21st is the winter solstice. That's our shortest day of the year. So
Woo,
what
woo,
up, Big
woo.
O?
Already big Compton in the building. Y'all better pop out right now. We the Biz YouTube family. Let's go. Let's go. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Let's go. Y'all already know we the best family over here. Yeah. No cap. Yeah. Pop out, rock out. Let's go. Fire in the hole.
Woo! I got this hybrid blend, man. This stuff is good. Woo. It'll fucking kick you over hard too. I gotta be careful. I gotta go easy on it. I'll be talking crazy shit. I'll be swinging from the ceiling, all kind of shit. Not
That's what
won't
I'm talking about. That's
won't
that shit.
won't fucking remember what the hell happened. I'll be like, baby, last
Yeah.
thing I know, I was puffing with Michael, and that's all I remember and shit. I don't remember what happened after that. So
He was on the roof howling. Oh, that's some good shit.
oh shit. I'll be like
Yeah,
Smokey.
Smokey.
I'll be like
Okay,
Smokey
Smokey.
when he's
In
up
the
on
pigeon
in the
coop.
pigeon cages and stuff going.
That's my bro, bar. Yeah.
Oh, them Mexican
Yeah.
boys messed him up. He was up in the pigeon cages talking about up in D-Ball's pigeon cages.
Yeah. We the best
Uh,
family, y'all. What's good? What's good, y'all?
uh,
Yeah, man. We the best YouTube family. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yiddy. Y'all better represent y'all channel. Represent. We the best. Hey, donkey.
that
Oh,
that live you were doing earlier, man, with that cooking. Whoo, Lord have mercy, dude. That
yeah,
dude's like,
I gotta keep it going.
that person was like,
Yeah,
"What you doing?" And you said, "What do you mean? What I'm doing? I'm cooking." I was like, "Okay, look, there's cooking, and then there's cooking's cooking. That's a whole different level of that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole different level right there."
yeah, for real. They were like, man, who are you cooking for?
It's cooking with love, baby.
Okay, shit.
Yeah,
You never know, you might want this and a little of this. You hear me? No
that's what
cap.
I'm saying, man. Got to have
Yeah,
that variety.
yeah. You know, some people like two sides. I like three or
Yeah,
four.
I know Miss Palmer and the daughters
Yeah,
are. I know.
gotta have that motherfucking cornbread.
Oh yeah, I know Miss Palmer and the girls are spoiled rotten. I know they eating good.